Okay, the third monetization way is building an audience by dropping pixels. Now, we may have heard about this in digital marketing, and there's a lot of talk about this being a big, big opportunity nowadays. And really, what we're doing is we're dropping pixels on people in their browsers and creating our own audience. So here's how we do this. First, in our platform today, is that we set up a Facebook app. It's a custom Facebook app, and most of us will do that for our customers because they already have a Facebook login for the options. And then we're going to go to target the app. And then we're going to run ads to that audience and their friends. And then there's a little setting up in Facebook that we want. And we could actually say we want people, not only the people who have seen it, but also their friends. And we'll click that button, and there's a button there, and it'll target that. So that's how retargeting really works. It's a quick 6 steps that users connect, and as soon as they text and as soon as they connect, we start dropping those retargeting pixels on them. And because this person visited once, and because once this person is visited, once they leave the store, we can then retarget them with an ad, and it goes on their news feed or on their web browser, and we can put it on any ad unit. These retargeting captures their interest because it's fresh in their mind, and they were just in your restaurant or your location, and now they're seeing an ad, and they're about 10 times more likely to click and interact because it's fresh in their mind. And it helps convert users into loyal customers. Okay, that's the key here, though. It's just not any type of retargeting. It's Facebook audience network retargeting. So after they visit, we're allowed to retarget the people all across Facebook, everywhere. They go, and not only that we find similar audience, for example, so if we have somebody located in Boston and we know exactly who they are, we're able to say, hey, I want to find people like these people. So Facebook has their own algorithm to figure out similar audiences and interests in people who are rather the most similar to the people who have visited us. And then we can choose, and as an example, in this case, I want to choose everybody within 10 miles of Boston, age 31 to 56, who are women and who speak French. So this is very specific, but this audience is not an open audience. It's based on the customers who have already been in the business, in the location, and these are real customers, and these are the best targeted people to market to. And once they leave, we're able to convey contextually, remember that word context, the context of the ad, as Gary Vee said, in the context is close to God, little g, remember. These posts are visited, hyper targeted ads and are specifically geared toward the customers who are physically there. So what do you think of this market? Let us know what you thought. Come back to Summerfield, get 10% off. What do you think about our hotel? Leave a review. And there's only shown to people who have physically been there. And the reason Facebook makes it so great is that they target similar audiences and they target their friends. That allows me to target them and their friends in certain geographical areas. I hope you're seeing this. I hope you see this and you realize how important this can be when you're thinking about creating audiences and retargeting audiences and segmenting and monetizing that. And again, this is something that we could build pixels for free just by dropping it into a local business or setting up a strategically placed hotspot. You're able to grow a massive, massive list, not only email leads, but apps, ads, and also pixels.